What's up, world? I decided to do a quick tutorial on how to easily buy some ads. That is Australian Safe Shepherd token. As of today, as you can see on the screen, it's already up over 100%. I decided to buy some just because it was cheap, and just bought it just because it was cheap, and I ended up buying like a billion coins, and then wasn't even a dollar. Then I looked up a couple of days ago, and it was up to like two something, like $2 and some cent. Like, wow, okay, a little movement, but still nothing to get excited over until yesterday when it went up. Well, I mean, yesterday it went up like 40 something percent, and then today it made up as high as almost 200% before kind of settling back down to where it's at on the screen. So I'm like, okay, I might as well put some money into it that's worth investing, and it could make me a little decent amount of change quickly. So here we go. Okay, you gotta go back to your home screen and you go to BNB. Click on the more. Swap for smart chain. Bam. Okay, I'm gonna stake 75% and swap it. Okay, there you go. Swap successful. You go back to your home screen. Click on the apps inside of Trust Wallet. Go to Pancake Swap. I was trying to play around with staking it, but I didn't yet. I didn't have enough liquidity. Plus, you can't do it. You can't stake in V1. Anyway, you see, you have to make sure it's at least at 12%. Okay, select currency. It says I already have ads in my wallet. There you go. Easy. Max that out. Swap. Confirm swap. Bam. Now you got a little ass in your Trust Wallet. I bought V2, but you're really supposed to buy V1, and you end up getting more tokens if you do it in V1. That was my fault. You're supposed to use V1 instead of V2. See, it's still in the smart chain pending. If you It may take a little while for it to show up in your wallet because of the volume. It depends on the time. Sometimes it shows up in a few seconds. Sometimes it shows up in a few minutes. But that's basically the process of how to do it. I say, if you appreciate this video, appreciate this tutorial, I'm gonna post the links below as far as showing me some love with some whatever cryptocurrency you want to do with. I appreciate it. And until next time, I'm out.